Hello everyone, how to find minimum value in Excel with condition. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, customer name, product name, quantity and sales amount. So here I'm going to find the minimum value of quantity as per particular product. So let's see how it's done. So I just copy this product name and quantity and paste here. Then I select here the one product and paste. And select here the quantity cell, use is equal to and type here dmin. So dmin function, select the dmin function. In dmin function, you can find the minimum value with condition. So first select database. So I select here entire data here. And after that use to comma, select the field quantity, comma, criteria is product name and after that bracket close and enter. Here you can see the minimum value of keyboard is 20. You can say keyboard 20, keyboard 30, keyboard 35 and keyboard 28. Now I copy this mouse product and paste here. You can see now mouse product quantity is minimum 50. So this is a way you can find minimum value in Excel with condition. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.